Hey guys, in this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to change the foreground and background color of your Notepad++ program. I have opened up my Notepad++ program with some text. To be able to do the foreground and background change, go to Settings and select Style Configurator, and then make sure these two have been selected, and then go here and then change the color of the foreground. This is going to be my text, and change the color of the background. That doesn't look good. Let me change this one. Okay, this looks good. All right, so this is how you change the foreground and background color. Save and close, and then close this program, reopen again, and see that color stays there. Yep, that color is staying there. So there is another way you can do this one. There is some predefined themes in Notepad++ program. If you go here, select theme, and you can select whatever the theme you like, and it will change the foreground and background accordingly. If you see here, foreground is dark green and the background color is light green color, greenish color. And then you can do the same and play around with it and see which one you like, and you can save and close. When you open up your Notepad again, that will be your settings. If you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, don't forget to like, share, and ask any question under the comment sections. I will get back to you as soon as possible. I will see you in another video. Thanks.